Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites: battery above 20% and mobile data plan active. First, reboot or toggle airplane mode to force tower re-registration. This often clears a slow connection. Once done, make sure carrier settings and operating system are updated so your radio firmware uses current towers and bands. You should also scan for carrier outages and note peak congestion times. These observations guide the next steps when you optimize bands and handoffs. You now dive into detailed execution. Set your phone to prefer LTE or 5G only to avoid slow 3G handoffs, and lock the band if your device supports it so you stay on the fastest, least congested channel. Next, close or restrict background apps and reduce sync intervals to free up bandwidth for foreground tasks. Once done, run speed tests and monitor signal strength while moving. That tells you whether band locking or a different preferred type improves throughput. You finish by applying final fixes and a key troubleshooting step. Move toward a window or higher floor to improve line of sight. Physical location still matters. If indoor coverage is the issue, enable Wi-Fi calling or install a carrier-approved signal booster to amplify weak signals. Finally, if speed stays low, collect speed test logs and exact timestamps, then contact your carrier. Provide those details so they can trace congestion, misconfiguration, or a failing cell site. This step often resolves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.